Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, where we turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary sanctuaries. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been spending your evenings huddled around a humble fire pit, it's time for an upgrade. Today we're diving into the ultimate backyard feature, the outdoor fireplace. We've compiled the top 10 best backyard outdoor fireplace ideas, using some incredible examples you've sent in, to show you just how much style, warmth, and value one of these can add to your home. Trust me, you're going to want to cozy up to every single one of these designs. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are we talking about? A backyard outdoor fireplace is essentially a permanent, built-in, vertical structure designed to contain a fire for warmth and aesthetic pleasure in your exterior living space. Unlike a simple, portable fire pit, a fireplace features a chimney or flue for smoke ventilation and often serves as a significant architectural focal point, the hearth of your backyard, if you will. It creates the feeling of an outdoor room, giving your patio or deck that grounded, finished look. It's less about camping and more about chic, open-air living. Now, besides the obvious benefit of looking absolutely stunning, an outdoor fireplace offers practical advantages that make the investment worthwhile. First and foremost, it extends your outdoor season. The radiant heat from a proper fireplace, often directed forward by the chimney structure, allows you and your guests to comfortably enjoy your patio well into the cooler nights of fall and even early spring. It becomes a natural gathering spot, drawing people to its warmth and mesmerizing flame, thus improving the social dynamic of your outdoor space. No one wants to just sit on the periphery. The fire becomes the heart of the conversation. Secondly, it's an instant home value booster. When it comes to real estate, features like permanent, well-designed outdoor living spaces are huge selling points. An integrated fireplace signals quality and luxury, giving your home a significant edge over properties with just a basic patio. Furthermore, as an architectural centerpiece, it immediately anchors the design of your backyard. Whether your style is modern minimalist or rustic farmhouse, the fireplace serves as the primary element that all other decor, furniture, and landscaping should harmonize with. Making your fireplace look good is all about creating an extension of your indoor aesthetic and ensuring comfort. The key is to treat the area around it like an actual living room. Start with seating. Position comfortable all-weather furniture, like deep-seated wicker or upholstered pieces, in a semicircle or square facing the fireplace, ensuring a clear path to the flames. Define this space with an outdoor rug to add texture and ground the seating arrangement. Next, focus on the mantelpiece if you have one. Use it to display minimal, impactful decor such as an oversized clock, a unique piece of weatherproof art, or simple planters with lush greenery. Remember to keep seasonal items like holiday wreaths temporary. Lighting is absolutely crucial. Beyond the fire itself, use soft, layered lighting. Think string lights hung overhead, lanterns placed on the ground, or even recessed lighting in the pergola or ceiling if your fireplace is covered. This layering creates a warm, inviting glow that complements the firelight, rather than overpowering it. Finally, don't forget the comfort accessories. Decorative, weatherproof pillows and cozy throws draped over the furniture are the final touches that say, "Come on over, the fire is just getting started." A fireplace is a permanent feature, so the material you choose needs to be durable, heat-resistant, and aesthetically perfect for your climate and style. Here are the top contenders. First, natural stone or cultured stone, the gold standard for a classic, rustic, or transitional look. Materials like flagstone, river rock, or granite veneer offer incredible texture, durability, and a timeless appeal that blends beautifully with natural landscaping. Second, concrete or stucco, the preferred choice for modern and minimalist designs. Poured concrete offers clean lines and an industrial feel, while stucco provides a smooth, monolithic surface that can be painted to match your home's exterior for seamless integration. Third, brick. Classic, charming, and highly durable. Brick offers a traditional or farmhouse aesthetic. It's relatively low maintenance and its deep color holds up well against smoke and weather. Fourth, corten steel or weathering steel. A contemporary high-end option often used for fire features or outdoor burners rather than traditional fireplaces. It develops a rich, rusty patina over time that's protective, making it a bold, modern, and maintenance-free choice. Fifth, tile or ceramic. Used as a finish over a durable base material, tiles allow for customizable color, pattern, and texture, perfect for adding a Mediterranean or unique artistic flair to the fireplace face. Alright, enough talk. It's time to show you these masterpieces. From sleek, poolside retreats to mountain cabin cozy, here are the top 10 best backyard outdoor fireplace ideas. 1. The Holiday Hearth Haven. This covered structure transforms a simple patio into a warm, inviting outdoor room, especially perfect for the holidays. The classic fireplace with a stone surround is the centerpiece, beautifully accentuated by festive decor and cozy wicker furniture. It demonstrates how to create a genuinely usable multi-season outdoor sanctuary. 2. Sleek and seamless modern fire feature. Exemplifying minimalist design, this linear, stainless steel framed gas fireplace is embedded into a concrete block wall. The clean lines and surrounding white furniture emphasize a chic, resort-like atmosphere, proving that a fireplace can be as much about art as it is about warmth. 3. Rustic Stone Mountain Retreat. This is the epitome of a natural stacked stone fireplace, acting as a massive anchor point against a tiered retaining wall. The rugged, traditional masonry and surrounding lush greenery create a deep, layered, and incredibly private gathering space, a true outdoor living room embraced by nature. 4. Corten Steel Floating Fire Cube. A highly contemporary and bold statement, this freestanding geometric fireplace made of Corten steel is a work of art. Its open, pass-through design allows the fire to be viewed from all sides, offering a modern, sculptural focal point ideal for a deck or a sleek, minimalist landscape. 5. Southwest Stucco Chimenea Style. Featuring a thick, white, stucco-finished structure, this fireplace draws inspiration from traditional chimeneas and adobe architecture. Set on a simple concrete patio with black metal furniture, it provides a bright, rustic, and casual look that perfectly complements a relaxed backyard setting. 6. Covered Louvered Zen Retreat. Integrated into a clean, modern pergola with adjustable louvers, this gas fireplace is flanked by symmetrical built-in niches for decorative firewood storage. The light-colored, contemporary furniture and structured design create a sophisticated, spa-like outdoor room, perfectly blending form and function. 7. Lodge-style timber and stone patio. A perfect marriage of heavy timber posts and robust, split-face stone, this fireplace anchors a grand open-air pavilion. Set in a wooded landscape, the design evokes a luxury mountain lodge, creating a sheltered, year-round space ideal for entertaining in a colder climate. 8. Luxury Covered Cabana Hearth. This design showcases a stunning covered porch with a tongue and groove wood ceiling and a chandelier. The large, light-colored limestone fireplace with a rustic mantel is the focal point, surrounded by elegant wicker seating. It perfectly captures the feel of an indoor room moved outdoors. 9. Modern Poolside Concrete Oasis. This minimalist fireplace is built into a massive raw concrete wall, serving as a clean architectural element under a suspended deck. Set directly next to a pool and a large daybed, it epitomizes high-end, contemporary design, connecting the luxury of the indoor space with the outdoor environment. 10. The Entertainment Stone Hearth. The ultimate outdoor media room setup. This substantial arched brick fireplace is built into a covered cabana and cleverly doubles as the mount for a large outdoor television. It creates a casual, fun space perfect for game days, proving a fireplace can be both cozy and the hub of entertainment. Well, there you have it, 10 reasons why your backyard needs an upgrade from a basic fire pit. Whether you're leaning toward the rugged elegance of natural stone or the sleek precision of modern concrete, an outdoor fireplace is a long-term investment in your home, your lifestyle, and your comfort. Honestly, the only downside is that your friends might never want to leave. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Did we miss a material or style you love? We read every comment. If you're ready to light up your own backyard, hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more jaw-dropping home ideas. We post new content every day to help you design the space of your dreams. Until next time, happy decorating!
Bye.